button, Morty. Give me a beat.
Oh man, okay, alright,
Alright y'all, in today's video, it's going to be the first of the birthday gifts to start rolling in. My homeboy Worm got me some fog lights and some LED bulbs to go inside of it. Here's a item number for the fog lights. 03 to 06 Scion XB fog lights, smoked. See what they look like. First you got the button for it. A lot of people don't know that Scions, it's already got the plugs for the fog lights and it's already got the harness for the button. All you got to do is order a relay, which Amazon just actually texted me and said I'm 10 stops away. But I'm gonna go ahead and get started in installing these fog lights, and let's get into it. Well, that broke. The cool thing about these fog lights bulbs, LED bulbs, is you can adjust it if you want it to shine side to side, or you can just twist it and it'll shine up and down. For this application, it'd be better to go side to side. Here go Amazon pulling up. Oh, it's been about 5 minutes and he's still working on packages across the street. So while I wait, I'm gonna go ahead and get started with removing this center dash. Oh, he leaving. So the hardest part about working on cars is connectors. clean, no modifications. So I'm gonna put his dash back and move to the outside of the car. That's the part number. I got it off Amazon, next day delivery. Got a 2-pack. I think it was like $12 for 2, something like that. So you don't have to take the bumper off, but to remove this, you should be able to get it by just turning your wheel and popping them out. That was easy. I believe this car already had fog lights. And I'm just gonna leave it at that. There's a pivot point. Latch it into the pivot point. Yet. So I get both sides and test them out. Relay, it says you should pull this out. Not gonna act like that didn't hurt my thumb. And this blue relay right here at the bottom that you can see, it should be in line with that, but on the opposite side. So you got to go put your hand on that, through that hole or that little gap, and hopefully a miracle will happen and it'll just go in. So I'm gonna fight with that and I'll let you know. Got it in, and the best advice I can give you is, this is a diagram I pulled up from Google. It is this bottom relay right there. It's parallel to the blue relay up front. You can see this blue relay right here, and just reach around to the back side and it's this bottom relay. Also, this is the same relay I got too. These copper prongs will be at top, so if I'm putting it in, it'll be just like this going into the back side. Copper's on top, the silver parts are on the bottom. Also, third tip, headlights have to be on. They only work with your headlights on. Doesn't work with park lights, doesn't work just by itself. Ignition, the headlights have to be on. So there you go. Quick little fog light install. Took about 30 minutes. Everything was pretty much plug and play. The hardest part was just trying to find out which way exactly the relay goes in.